Afternoon. Let me introduce myself. My name is Devita Priscilia Landukara. I will present about environmental pollution. What is environment? Environment pollution is a major change in environmental conditions due to economic and technological development. Change in the condition exceed the kilowatt of ecosystem tolerance, thereby increasing the amount of pollutants in the environment. Factors causing environmental pollution include population growth and uncontrolled exploitation of nature, as well as industrialization that is not managed properly. Definition of environmental pollution. Environmental pollution is a change in about factors due to activity that exceed the threshold definition tolerance of biotic ecosystem. For example, the use of motorized vehicles or raw material progressing equipment which sometimes does not comply with environmental standards. Environmental pollution is caused by various factors. However, the biggest factor is humans, consciously or not. We have contributed to the process of environmental pollution, starting from the uncontrolled population growth, the many sources of pollution, so that nature is unable to neutralize it. Factors causing environmental damage include: number 1, massive use of plastic bags. Number 2, disposal of garbage and detergent waste into rivers. Number 3, disposal of electronic waste that is not in accordance with the provision. Number 5, forest burning. And number 5, the use of private drainages causes more pollution. Impact of environmental pollution. The impact of environmental pollution that is more prevalent today is global warming, where our earth is temperature increasing will cause some of the ice at North Pole to melt and sea level to rise. Biological concentration is also one of the impacts that will result from environmental pollution. This biological concentration process can be interpreted as an increase in the pollution levels that pass through the body of certain living things. This biological concentration is also known as amalgamation. As an example, to illustrate this, gas in a water that has been corroded. Then the pollution in the water will stick to the algae that live in the water area. How to prevent it? Pollution prevent methods consist of prevention and control measures. Prevention efforts can also be made by replacing household appliances or motors with materials that are more environmentally friendly. Prevention can also be done through conservation activity, the use of alternative energy, the use of alternative means of transportation, and sustainable deployment. Control measures are very important to keep the environment clean and healthy. Control can be in the form of making environmental quality standards, monitoring the environmental, and use technology to overcome environmental problems. For global problems such as climate change, depletion of the ozone layer, and global warming, complaints from all parties in needings from one country to another. That's all from my presentation. Thank you.